is up, guys? So today, another recap. I had a really clean day, and some of these positions I've taken are either pre-market or post-market. I do have one that's intraday, so kind of a mix of everything. So yesterday, in terms of Zoom had some decent result. I won't even say it's good result. I think the market is pretty desperate for anything. And so it popped up yesterday. Let me see if I can do it on a 5-minute chart better. Or maybe I should do the 15-minute. Let's see here. Or 60-minute would be good. So yesterday, we should probably close this. So yesterday it popped up after market, went as high as 80 something. I actually took it around this level. I saw that it was holding this in terms of the earnings play. So I took it on the short side yesterday, and then on the drop, I started covering first at this level just because there is a moving average here. And then I set a few more down here. The reason for this is it's close to the top of the of these candles right here, and I didn't really want it to pop back up on because this is really a quick swing, and as you can see here at this level, there are quite a bit of movement in terms of like this. It was acting as a level of resistance in a way. It came down and popped back up, couldn't get over this, came back down, couldn't get over it, and then it just collapsed. So of course, I can hold on to it, maybe take profit all the way down. But you never know if it would just go all the way down, or this level of resistance could actually become support, it bounce back up, etc. We'll see how it goes. But that was the play I took on Zoom, and then I also took a play on COIN. So let's see if I have COIN here. So on COIN, very clean trade on COIN. The way I did this was, if we look at COIN, so this is a 15-minute chart on COIN, it was making higher highs. I have no idea why. Bitcoin is a big scam, but it kept on going up. And for shit stocks like this, my thesis has always been short the piece of crap. So on the way up, as folks may know, usually there's like 3 leg up. So, it was running up. It did try on a 15-minute to do a reversal. That failed. Went back up, reversal, failed. It came back up. And then I felt like, maybe third time is a charm. So I took it on the short side. And, obviously if it broke through this, I would stop out and then kind of watch it to catch it later. Obviously, I got out a bit too early, but I'll explain why because of the 5-minute here. So I took it on the short side. Let me go back. Let's see. When did I take it? This is 2:30. So this is the same day, 2:27. Oh, wrong day. Sorry. Right here. So I took it on the short side, and then this is when I added to it. Didn't really break this top. Added to it. It kept on dropping. Came back up. The reason I got out here is because of this cross here, because this is a strong stock. I was worried that when it crosses, sometimes what it would do is it would just run up and never come back down, or it would run up to maybe where my entry was and so forth. It would allow me to then re-short it again and then take the ride down. It didn't do that. It sort of just collapsed all the way down to VWAP. So obviously I missed it, but in the past that has hurt me. You never know how to play these. And so maybe the other way I could have done it is, instead of partitioning out all of it, just kind of hold on to some and then wait for the collapse here. But I was a little impatient today, and I had a good day already, so I didn't want to jinx it or anything like that. And so I just got all out. I was like, hey, it's going to consolidate around here. I don't want to see it chop around. And I just got out. So in retrospect, I could have kept a small position, let it run down. So that is that. The other concern that I have with this was also, down at the 5-minute mark. There's a level of support here. Oftentimes it can also bounce, when it hit that. So that is what it is. And then aftermarket, this is something that I've been doing quite a lot, is my earnings play. I scalp a lot of the earnings. So First Solar, it's another bullshit stock. The Biden administration, which is wholly incompetent, is pushing clean energy that's not really clean. So I hate these types of stocks, and I always short it. And so, fundamentals are bad, for these types of stocks too. So on the bounce, it popped. I shorted it. The reason for that is, as you can see up here, there's a level of resistance. I kind of missed this. Like, obviously, it is very wild. The spread is pretty high. So you set your limit order. It never hit this. So on the way down, I just hit short. And then on the drop, I got out again a little too early. I was a little impatient today, just because I had a good day and I just want to book profits early. I originally had set my target right around the level of support here. As you can see, how nicely it fit within these two zones of support and resistance. So it didn't quite make it here, and then it kind of broke through here a bit and then came back up. Again, support and resistance are just ranges. It's a zone. It's not necessarily right at 172 or 179, etc. So that was my quick scalp on First Solar, and that's it. If folks wanted to know how I've done and whatnot, you can always follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, that's it. Hope you guys did well today, and peace out.